Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to block message from unknown number on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who feel uncomfortable, who feel disturbed and annoyed because of there are so many message from unknown number or from stranger that keep coming, such as scam or other spam message to your inbox, don't need to be worried guys, because you can auto block it immediately. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial guys. Alright, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to the message menu on your cell phone like this. Alright, and then now you can click on the account, and then now you can click spam and block. And then now you can click three dots on the right top and then click block number, and then now you can activate unknown number so that the unknown number will auto block from the message. Alright guys, so yeah, thank you so much for watching.